All right, so here we are in Key Biscayne. We have this 1967 GT500 right behind me. This car is gorgeous. Here you can see it's got the GT500 badge, got the optional fog lights. All the scoops make it look extremely aggressive. It's got the optional 10-spoke wheels. Just over 2,000 of these were built in 1967. It's like 2,046 or something like that. And just over 500 were built in this color combo. Now this car has a whole nut and bolt restoration, original 4-speed. It's got a 428 cubic inch police interceptor motor. It's got the AC right here. Everything works on this car. Imagine it's like a whole high-end restoration. Actually, the sister car that got built with this car has a bunch of awards. So both of them got the same treatment at the factory. Original 4-speed. Disc brakes. It's pretty cool. I always loved how classic cars have the disc brake right there that it tells you. Another cool thing, this roll bar has the seatbelt harnesses. That's how you know that they were performance oriented. I mean, most of these cars just brought the laps, so this is cool. This car looks crazy riding in the street. My boy was actually driving it over here. And from the back, you can still see the scoops. They stick out. My God, amazing. All right, let's go for a spin. All right, so first impressions are, oh, this thing goes, man. A lot of torque. So this is a time capsule from 1967. It's a 67 GT500. And it's, like I said, it's a time capsule. Yeah, so when it opens up, you can just tell it goes, whoa, ton of torque in every gear that you're in. You told me a dyno that like 400 horsepower, right? Yeah, exactly. This is the last year that they actually built these cars in their Venice facility. Okay. And then also, this car is a fully numbers matching car, meaning everything. The engine, the transmission, everything is numbers matching on this car. It's a nut and bolt restoration. It took close to like 8 years in total of restoration and $300,000. So this car is pretty much the best GT500 you can find on the market today. Look at, we just ran into my friend. What's up, Dani? What do you think? What do you think?
I love it.
It's a blast, right?
Oh my goodness, the vibration in this car. How I feel.
Yeah.
You know,
How do you feel?
I know.
Tell me.
I love it. I mean, it kind of turns me on, you know, just a bit.
The car turns you on?
I mean, hey, the car can do the job.
Oh my God, you're right. All right, I'm gonna come pick you up on this in the next day.
I said the car, not the man, but
you're
we
right.
can give it a try.
Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video.